This is the November update for the Jeep group build. It ends December 31st, so we have November and December, 2 months still to go. That could be plenty of time if you want to build one of the easier kits, like this one here, which I did, which is just a Jeep Wrangler. This is a curbside kit, doesn't have an engine, so there's less parts to deal with. And this is what I did with mine. I finished mine per last month's video, and a few other people, Lefthanded Models, finished his, and then there was another one finished as well by Seamus, and both of those links will be below, as long as the other people that have entered into this group build. So you can check the progress of everybody, and if you want to join in, you still have 2 months to build something. If you have time and you want to, then that's a good time to start. Another easy kit is the if you can get one, most hobby stores don't have one, so you probably have to order it online probably, but that's the Airfix Jeep Gladiator. I've built 2 of these, and I've got a video on when I built this one, but if you did not see that video, I'll show you this one here. And yeah, this is a snap kit, but you can see that unlike, back in the day when they made snap kits, they weren't necessarily very accurate as far as the body. They were just made for kids and made to sort of resemble the vehicle, and then would have few parts. But these are actually pretty accurate on the outside. I mean, they don't have an engine, of course, and the underside is very basic. But it's an Airfix quick build. I want to say I'm putting it next to this one, 120. The yellow one is 124. So I'm sorry, 125. So the Airfix has to be 124 or 125, one or the other. So, but it's probably still, they don't have a scale on the box. But I can tell you now, you can see by comparison, they're nearly the same size. And these go together very well. Now they're molded in white, so you can leave it white, but that makes it very easy to paint. So you can paint it any color you want. It does not come with the decals for the hood. I printed those myself. And there's 2 of them on there. But other than that, everything else is out of the box. It's just that I painted it and added those decals. So, and if you wanted to snap it together, you could probably do that in about 15-20 minutes. But if you want to paint it and whatever and do a little more, then you could do some more to it. And you have 2 months, so you have plenty of time if you wanted to do that and still join in. But just let me know if you do, so I can add a link to your channel and what you're building down below for others to see. Now we have one more update coming up in December, for around December 1st. Somewhere around there, I'll post another one of these videos, and then of course it ends in December 31st, so sometime in January when I get everything together, I'll try to put a video together of everybody's projects that were finished and the ones that were built. If things come around, if you don't finish, that's okay. But I'm going to try to make a video at the 1st of January to show off what people have done. There's no way you have to build it a certain way. You can build it stock or modified or race or off-road, or you do whatever you want to do with it, as long as it's a Jeep. So that's all the real requirement is. And it's a model kit that you put together. And that's it. So think about it. But if you want to know if this is just an update, it's just a few minutes, and I hope to see what everybody's finishing up here, and we'll check it again around December 1st to see where we're at. And that's it. Enjoy.